Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with another little announcement. Gosh, Gail is just having to create boundaries in her life, and it's just not something she's comfortable doing, but got to do it again. So this video is mainly for digital Etsy sellers. I am finding that I am going to have to make some adjustments to my showing digitals. These are all my digitals. They're just there for you to look at. But I have been so overwhelmed yet again with requests to show digitals that I'm having to put some parameters on it. So what I'm asking is that, or what I'm saying is that I am only going to show digitals from Etsy shops, which are printed and mailed to me. I will not be accepting email digitals that are emailed to me. I have been getting 3, 4, or more a day. And as you know, recently my husband started helping me with the printing, but he is spending every morning, all morning, downloading and printing. And it's just not fair to my retired husband. And it's not something I have time for either. And the paper cost is kind of getting a little ridiculous as well. So anyway, so that I'm going to try this. I'm going to try just, if you want me to show your digital from your Etsy shop, mail me what you want shown and include all your information, your Etsy shop name, your name, all of that, so I don't have to go hunting for that. And then I'll be happy to show it. But like I say, nothing via email. So I really appreciate you all. And I know that it's beyond promotion for your shop. You've also been just generous in sharing your digitals. And I truly do appreciate that. But once again, it's too much of a good thing. It can overwhelm a person. So that is the scoop. Now, if I think that will probably cut down the amount of digitals that I have to show. And but if it's still too much, I may have to then just show the ones that I find, that I buy, that I like, and not take requests to show people's Etsys. I really do enjoy it. I really enjoy, being able, in a position really with my followers, to be able to help out Etsy stores to, just to be known and for people to go visit and everything. But again, it's just gotten too much. There's quite a few people who every time they make a kit, they send it every time. And it's just way too much. There's a lot of Etsy sellers out there, as you know. So anyway, that's the message of this one. Just again, trying to make life more manageable for my husband and I. So thank you to all who have sent me their digitals in the past. And as I say, send them by mail, and I'm happy to show them because it won't take the amount of time as downloading and printing does. So thanks again, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.